I mean, She is doing the most. She is doing the most.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I'm about to take this pictures. Better put this girl on Twitter.
She ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
You ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Cause she ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and he came with a sister.
That's right.
But I still hit the club. No shoes.
What's up?
I had to get cute today. I bought them jeans for boots today.
That's right. Cha-ching. Gon' be fit up. Mood change. Yeah, my way.
I got my food stamps. New piercing. A brand new tech.
Right.
$95 for the sleeve. Plus tax. Bow. Been out there and clap my thumb.
You stupid? Boy, bye.
Oh, quiet.
Hey, girl.
Turn around. Let me see who you're
Get it.
Oh, okay. We're gonna talk to you later. OMG, what did she got? Oh,
She ratchet.
her lace front was all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. About to put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Not with them shoes on.
Cause you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Cause you ratchet.
There. Ooh, she too fake.
Cause you ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Cara.
Alright. There you go.
Yes, I am the baddest cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Jordan hit my dress on. Dark skin. We don't like them red
What you
bones.
saying?
Don't go in my picture. No glitter.
Oh,
Hit
what?
me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
Get it?
Team Chris Brown. Dennis team shut down. Team to your man. If he got a lot of money, Dennis team he paying.
What?
He might as well spend it on me. She
She ratchet. Oh.